This is the book of Isaiah, chapter 29, verse 6. And it reads through the Holy Scriptures: Thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts with thunder and with earthquake, and great noise with storms and tempests and the flames of devouring fire. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakakadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching this word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. I say shalom to you Akim out there. And this is a recent news article came out of the Jerusalem Post by Reuters, published February 15, 2023. And it reads: a magnitude 6.1 quake strikes off of New Zealand coast. And keep this in mind. Too. There, you have a cyclone bomb over there in Alkaline, New Zealand. Then on top of that, I say earlier than that, you had like a heavy floodings over there. So I would say for the past couple of days, it had been an increasing weather events. Definitely been taken over there in New Zealand, Alkaline, New Zealand, and New Zealand. Now you got this recent one of this 6.1 magnitude of an earthquake struck off the New Zealand coast, and it reads: a magnitude of the 6.1 earthquake struck New Zealand near Wellington on Wednesday at a depth of 43 kilometers and 30 miles. Government seismic monitor GeoNet says the earthquake epicenter was 50 kilometers from the town of Parabrahma, if I pronounced that right, according to the GeoNet. And it says a Reuter witness felt a strong shaking that lasts several seconds in the capital of Wellington. New Zealand lies on the seismically active ring of fire, a 400-kilometer arc of volcanoes and ocean trenches gliding much of the Pacific Ocean. It says this comes after a cyclone, like I mentioned. Cyclone Gabrielle caused a significant damage across the northern islands this week, leave 4 people dead, more than 10,000 people displaced, and widespread damage. I'm gonna bring out the book of Ezekiel. Salakia. I meant to reiterate Luke 21 and 11. That's what I meant to say, not Ezekiel. Salakia. This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11, and it reads: and great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence, and fearful sights and great signs shall they be from heaven, right? Because you're going to have the increasing pestilence and the weather conditions, just like that Gabrielle cyclone bomb that killed 4 people, and 10,000 people were displaced over there in New Zealand. And now, a couple of days later, you have a magnitude of a 6.1 earthquake, and it was off the coast of New Zealand, a magnitude of a 6.1 earthquake. So as the scripture has stated, you're going to have great earthquakes in diverse places, and that's what we are seeing. the increasing of that, a high magnitude of number of earthquakes in diverse places around the world. Now we're starting to see the earthquakes. Uh, Now all of a sudden it's starting to increase and to appear more and more. Because you're definitely going to see once again a increase and uptick of earthquakes in diverse places around the world, as we currently see right now. That's taking part in around the world. As this recent news article came out out of New Zealand, off the coast of New Zealand, I meant to say Slovakia, of a magnitude quake struck off of New Zealand coast. And this comes after a week of a Gabrielle silicone bomb that caused some significant damage in their area, killing 4 people and damaging homes and displacing about 10,000 people in that region. And now you have this magnitude 6.1 quake strike off of New Zealand coast. So that's why I brought out the Isaiah 29:6. Thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts with thunder and with earthquakes and the tempest and flames of iron fire. And that's what we've seen, the storms, the earthquakes. And that's what we've seen recently over there in New Zealand, Alkaline, New Zealand, and off the coast of New Zealand with these major weather events. And these major weather events is definitely going to continue to increase because the Heavenly Father, Yahweh, which is the highest, Yahweh, is definitely going to continue to visit this world which He made, and the Lord of hosts, Hamashiach Yahweh Shai, the Lord of hosts, is definitely going to continue to visit this place with these major weather events. So with that, I hope this sit-down lesson was edifying. And I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Makakadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching this word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the 4 corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And until next time, I will say shalom.